So welcome once again to OBAAPA'S channel. Today's recipe is chicken fried rice. It's very delicious, simple and easy to take with you. Please stay tuned, don't go nowhere. Come with me to the kitchen and let's start cooking. So first we are going to use basmati rice. Guys, the basmati rice that I always use is called Mandi Indian long grain basmati rice. It's about 3 cups. So we're going to turn our stove on and then measure our water. So since we're using 3 cups of rice, I'm going to add 4 cups of water. And then please make sure you add your salt. So this is about a teaspoon of salt, and please cover it and then leave it to boil. So after that, we are going to wash in our rice. So like I said, I'm using Indian basmati rice. I love this rice so much. They only sell it in 3 different stores back in Chicago. I've looked online and I couldn't find this kind of rice anywhere else apart from Chicago. So please, you can use any rice that you have as well. So now our water is beginning to boil, so I am going to add in my washed rice. Give it a very nice stir. And to make a perfect fried rice, please make sure you cook your rice very well. So we are going to add in 2 tablespoons of oil. That way it will help the rice come out really fluffy and very delicious. And also it's going to come out really single as well, because you don't want your rice to be very sticky when you cook it. Please cover it and then let it boil until the water absorbs the rice. So now our chicken, I'm using chicken thigh. You can use any chicken of your choice, but I love chicken thigh because it's very easy to cook, it's soft. But if you prefer chicken breast, please feel free and use it as well. So after that, we're gonna cut it really nice, and make sure you cut it into pieces. So now our chicken is done cutting. We are going to cut in half medium onion right here. This is what you're going to use to fry the rice. So please make sure you cut it very little pieces. Just like that. So after that, we're going to check our rice, and as you can see, the rice is looking very nice and delicious. It came out really fluffy. This is perfect rice for this fried rice. So now you can take it out from your stove. Now I have my frying pan on the stove. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but I love coconut oil because it can take high heat. And now you can just add in your chicken and make sure you crushed in 3 cloves of garlic. And then you see fried rice we are bayed the we are about to see crush the man has said it means so after that, make sure you add in a half teaspoon of salt, and then we are going to add a half teaspoon of mustard, and I'm using my Jollof spice, so you can use Jollof spice as well. So also I add in a half teaspoon, and then I'm adding in mokosam, that is hot pepper, because I want a little spicy from the chicken. Okay, so I'm adding in a half teaspoon of pepper powder, and give it a very good stir and just allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. So chicken is smelling nice. Oh, if you have it's smelling really nice. So just leave it for 10 good minutes. So after 10 minutes, it is done. As you can see, because of the coconut oil, it is bubbling up, and I love that. So go ahead and remove all your chicken. So after that, we are going to fry our diced onion. So you can give it a very good stir after you add your onion, and leave it on to cook for about a minute. It doesn't take too long to cook because the pan is really hot, so it's going to cook really fast. So leave it on to cook for 1 minute. So after a minute, we are going to add in our vegetables. So you can add any vegetables of your choice, but fried rice, it is good to add in carrots, green beans, peas, and a little bit of corn as well. And make sure you stir it very well and leave it to cook for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, please remove all your veggies because you don't want to overcook it. Yeah, that is the idea. So I am going to break in eggs. So I have in 5 medium eggs that I'm using right now. You can use any amount that you want. You can use 6, 10, 2. It depends on you. Okay, so I'm going to sprinkle in a little bit of salt. It's about a pinch, just to get my salt taste for the egg. So after that, let it cook until it's scrambled. So after it's scrambled, please remove all your eggs. And please add in 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. So I'm using coconut oil again. And this is what I'm going to use to fry the rice. So my rice is ready. It is fluffy. It's looking really, really delicious. This is perfect consistency. Look, very nice, Ankasa. So after you add in your rice, please stir a little bit and then add your fried eggs, and followed by vegetable, and then the last not the least, your fried chicken. And give it a very nice good stir, and then you can add in your soy sauce. I'm adding in organic soy sauce that I got from the store. This is very, very nice. So you can add in about 4 tablespoons to get that perfect brownish kind of look, and then leave it on to cook and stir for 5 minutes, and it will be ready. But before, I'm going to garnish it with a little bit of green onion or onion leaves. Yeah, this is the perfect time to add it and then stir, and then it is just ready, looking very, very nice. So as you can see, this is how I make my chicken fried rice recipe. I hope you guys enjoy it. The kids are gonna love it. Your husband, your friends, everybody's gonna love it when you try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed eating with me today. Until I see you once again on my channel, stay tuned, stay safe, and have a blessed evening. I hope I'm sure.